All right, guys. So we are at Casa Buelo, Casa Buela, and we just want to give you a little tour of our Airbnb. And of course, you can see Fifi right here. She's being one with nature. Anyway, so this is the outside, guys. Here's Arlene. Say hi, Arlene.
Hi.
Okay.
Welcome.
Casa Buela. All right, so let's take you guys. It's really nice that if you have a car here, there's a carport here. Okay, so we're gonna go through here, and here's a really nice angle here of this is where we're staying, Casa Buela, and there's like a scenic spot. I'll take you up there too, and then there's also a guard here too. But anyways, this is like a garden area where they said that you can actually plant things. So this is the garden area. So I don't know how active this place is or what is planted, but that's the garden area. And there's like the scenic area there, the platform, top platform, and I'll show you what it overlooks here in a few. But I'll leave a link here to the Airbnb, guys, if you want to come check it out. I think we're like the second or third guest here, so it's fairly new. So nice little steps to go into the main area here. Tell you guys, this is very nice. But here, let's go check it out here. This is the pool. It's not like a very big pool or anything. It's kind of like a jacuzzi or something, but it's not hot, it's cold. There's lights here for the evening time, right? And then eating area or chill out area. Okay. And here's another angle of where the carport is, and then the garden straight ahead. This is the Bahay Kubo right there. So let's go ahead and take you guys inside where we're actually sleeping here. But look at the detail, guys. If you're looking for an experience like a real Filipino traditional life experience, this is probably a great place. So you got some lanterns right here, and there's the roof. All right, let me show you outside of the place here. That's where we're actually going to go in. See nice little shutters. This is a seating area here. Okay. This is the back part, the back patio. But if you look here, you can actually, you go out through here. But there's like a dirty kitchen. So, which let's go ahead and check out. So you can go to the palenque, local palenque, and bring some stuff and cook it. So there's utensils here. Okay. So sink, rice cooker, little stove. There's some water here. I think there's a bike here that you can even use to go to the palenque, which is really close by. All right. It's really nice here, guys. I'm telling you, it's really nice and breezy. The weather is kind of like Tagaytay. But so this is the side of the house here. Okay. And then so it's kind of a cool area here. The kitchen and the roof here. So we'll go back inside, but also yeah, of course they have a refrigerator, so you can keep your drinks cold your meats, whatever. This door here actually goes inside the back of the house here too. So I'm gonna go in. You know, you guys are excited to see the inside. And oh, here, look, from the balcony you can see the pool area. Really nice, guys. Oh, look, it looks like there's even going to be lights here. I'll make a video of how it looks. All right, so let's go inside. Let's check out this place. What's up, guys?
Hey, we're just games.
Playing games. So anyways, when you first come in, this is like the living room area here. You can see they have games here. But look. So this is the living room area. There's the dining table. And look at this, guys. There's even Netflix and Wi-Fi. Netflix and Wi-Fi. Okay. And kind of open area ceiling here. So there's no air conditioning in the living room area, but in the rooms I will show you. Okay, so trinkets and everything, but so there's mugs, plates, coffee machine, toaster, okay, like your basic stuff, guys. They have dinner table. Okay, right here is a CR, which is a bathroom. So let me see if I can turn on the light here. This is a small one. Okay, so that's the CR. Okay, a mirror that you can look at yourself in. Okay, here's the angle here. Real traditional Filipino living here in a basic Bahay Kubo. Okay, so, and then this room right here is straight ahead. There's another CR. This is the main one that has the shower. So you see the bathroom rules. Shower. It's got a hot water shower here. They're providing soap and shampoo. Nice, guys. Okay. So let's look at this is the master bedroom here, which my sister is actually staying, because the other room that we're staying in has 2 beds, but this is the master. So big, queen size, I think. And look at the attention to detail, guys. They have the name of the place on the towels. Casa Beaulah. Okay, and then there's enough space here to keep, you know, your clothes. And then you have a nice view here. Okay, of the outside. And of course, see, they have aircon. They have air conditioner in here. All right. And let's look at the second room, which is where we're staying, because there's 2 beds and we need the beds for the kids. All right, so this is the bed where Arlene and Fifi are going to be sleeping in here.
Hi.
Hi, Peepa.
You and me.
And then of course there's a separate air conditioner here for this room. Hi, Peepa. Oh, you're ready to go swimming, huh? And so me and Peepa are going to be sleeping on this bed. It's a small one, but it's enough for us. We're not not very big. And of course you can open up the blinds and the windows to see the views. Of course, this one is overlooking the garden area. Okay, let's go outside, Peepa. So that's the rooms here. We're going to show you guys the outdoor terrace. All right. Look at this, guys. Netflix and the Deepa hut. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go. We're going to finish this tour off with the view of the 2nd floor terrace, so we can start swimming, right? Okay, let's go. Let me put on my shoes. You gotta always take off your shoes, guys. And watch out for these steps here. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the outdoor terrace right here. This is right next door. Okay, so this is all included in the Airbnb. Well, everything, yeah, of course, that you see here is included. You going swimming already? There's a fat tire bike. I don't know if that's included, but that'll be cool. You know, take that to the. Wait for Daddy, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go up these stairs here, up to the second floor. Let's see how it looks from here. So this is the top part. Look, we're away from the busy hustle and bustle of the city. This is like right here in the province, guys, away from the main street and everything. All right, so here we are, main terrace area. Look at this. This is where we're going to be relaxing at night. It's nice and breezy. There's lights up here. I'm not sure if the Wi-Fi works out here yet, but if you look out here, there's the pineapple plantation. Look at this, guys. This is our view. Got some goats right there. You can see the goats. But yeah, nice and clean, guys. Nice and clean. Okay. You like this place, Pipa?
I want to stay here forever.
You want to stay here forever, huh? Okay, so you got a bunch of lounge area seats here. But here's just another view of this amazing place here. There's some mountains up there. I'm not sure what those are. Okay, but just another view here. I mean, this is perfect, guys, if you want to just spend some quality time with your family. Really. So, all right, people, let's go. Guys, I just wanted to show you where we're staying this weekend. So we're gonna follow Pipa to the swimming pool, and then I'm also gonna go ahead and fly the drone as well, so you guys can see the aerial view of this place. But you're gonna feel safe here too, guys, because there is that's a guard station right there, so there's always someone here to make sure that, you know, we're safe. All right, let's see. Go ahead, take a dip. Take a dip. All right, well, say bye to everyone. Say bye-bye. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Airbnb link below.